Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by Giovanni Dienstmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. Many of my clients suffer from fibromyalgia and ask if there is any way meditation and mindfulness can help. There have been many studies, but the National Institute of Health indicates that the effects of meditation and mindfulness can alleviate many of the symptoms of fibromyalgia. Previously considered a solely psychiatric ailment, fibromyalgia is now recognized as a physical condition with multiple potential causes. 1. Stressful or traumatic events. 2. Repetitive injuries. 3. Certain diseases. 4. Central nervous system (CNS) malfunction. And 5. Imbalance of neurotransmitters in the brain. Despite its physical underpinnings, individuals grappling with fibromyalgia can find relief through meditation and mindfulness practices. Meditation and mindfulness, which centers on being present in the moment, has several definitions but shares the common aim of fostering awareness without judgment of one's thoughts and emotions. Through meditation and mindfulness training, individuals can cultivate calmness, clarity of thought, and effective stress management techniques. The benefits of meditation and mindfulness for fibromyalgia sufferers are manifold. By reducing dwelling on persistent pain and associated stress and anxiety, meditation and mindfulness can induce changes in the brain that alleviate symptoms. Studies have indicated that meditation and mindfulness may modulate pain perception, diminish distressing thoughts and emotions, heighten body awareness, and promote muscle relaxation. The mechanisms through which meditation and mindfulness combats fibromyalgia symptoms are multifaceted. It is posited to influence the nervous system by calming the sympathetic branch, thereby mitigating stress responses and inducing bodily relaxation. Clinical trials have demonstrated that meditation and mindfulness-based interventions can significantly reduce stress levels and symptom severity in fibromyalgia patients, with sustained benefits observed even after the conclusion of formal programs. Integrating yoga into meditation and mindfulness practices further enhances symptom relief for fibromyalgia sufferers. Yoga's combination of physical postures, breath awareness, and focus aligns with the principles of meditation and mindfulness, leading to improvements in sleep, pain, fatigue, and mood. Despite limited research, existing studies suggest that regular yoga practice yields notable reductions in pain and stress hormone levels, along with improvements in pain catastrophizing. In conclusion, meditation and mindfulness therapy, incorporating meditation, yoga, and daily meditation and mindfulness exercises, offers a promising avenue for managing fibromyalgia symptoms. By targeting the mind, body, and behavior, these techniques empower individuals to redirect attention away from pain, buffer against stress-related symptoms, and ultimately enhance their overall well-being. If you're grappling with fibromyalgia, exploring meditation and mindfulness therapy could offer valuable relief and support. I hope this video helped you gain some insight into the benefits of meditation and mindfulness when dealing with fibromyalgia. It certainly would appear that meditation and mindfulness should be in your arsenal of methods to help alleviate the symptoms of this disease. It's certainly worth a try. Cheers! Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.